Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be making something called loaded fries. Another concoction with some leftovers. I'm sure everybody's heard of it. If you haven't, it's something made out of chili, which I made a couple of nights ago, and there was some leftover. I've taken some chips out of the freezer, fried them off, and I've got some cheese and jalapenos, and then I'll dress it with some yogurt or sour cream if you've got sour cream. So just very simple. I've heated up my chili just to make sure that the chili is not cold once it goes into the oven. Otherwise it won't turn out as nice as we want it to be. And it's really the combination of the chili and the chips, and there's going to be some cheese on it, and then we'll load it with some jalapenos. And when the cheese melts on top of the potatoes and the jalapeno, on top of the chili, it's just a combination of heaven, really, basically. It's just so divine. You can just sit there eating it with potato and chili and cheese, and you've got the crispiness and the smoothness, and you've got everything, basically, everything on the plate that you need to basically enjoy the rest of the evening. So there you go. There's my chili on top of my chips. And those who follow me know two things about me. We love cheese and we love jalapenos. So there's lots of cheese on this. And then what I'm going to do now is just put some jalapenos, and they are hot and nice, they are. And that's it, really. I'm going to pop this in the oven until the cheese melts on top, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out in about 15 minutes. See you then. Welcome back, everyone. So my loaded fries are done. It's a bit hot. Just want to give you a quick glimpse what it looks like. Right, so they are ready to be eaten. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to say goodbye. Follow me on Instagram, give me a thumbs up, follow my recipes, and tell me how they went. And I'll catch you later. Have a good evening. Bye for now.